Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session. That is February the 28th. Coming to our previous day's analysis, friends, where we gave Britannia for a buy, very small stop loss is what we gave, and the stop loss was hit. Okay, it straight went down after that. Later part of the day, there was a trend line breakout like this, followed by a retest, and then a little upward momentum. Net stop loss hit. We gave Kotak for a sell. Okay, it proved us wrong as well. This with open interest. Anyways, our target was here, friends, which was met in the morning, but throughout the day, Kotak was continuously positive. Okay, it hit or went above this level and sustained at that levels. So yesterday's complete analysis went wrong. Okay, and such things keep happening, friends. I'm not saying that such things don't happen. Such things happen. What is important is, in such cases, we should have a small stop loss. Okay, so in this case, the stop loss was somewhere here on this levels, or max here. In this case, stop loss was, Kotak's case, stop loss was little above this level. Okay, so it went ahead, came down till here. Either this retest could have been taken as a stop loss, because simple, it gave a clear cut breakout. Okay, so we would not be ideally entering. Okay, coming to Nifty, Bank Nifty. Yesterday we discussed that it should form a green candle. You see a green colored doji here. Okay, in Bank Nifty, in Nifty. In Bank Nifty, the candle is bigger. It's not a doji. It's a kind of a, I cannot say it inside candle because it went below this area and it closed below this. So it upwards inside, but downwards it's not an inside candle. So how would we take trades? We can take trades at break of this particular candle. Okay, what is the level? 40,607 or 602. Above this level is what will create buy position, 40,600 to be very precise. Now coming to analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty. See, gap down was the start. Gap filling happened quickly. Okay, and at this gap filling, what happened is we can draw a simple fibbo from the bottom and from the top to the bottom. It took its rejection exactly at 61.8 levels, friends. If you have not seen the video, the live trading video, please go ahead and see that video and you will see nice insights here there. We took our position somewhere at this level and there was a stop loss at immediately here in the same candle. Okay, and then it took till 61.8 and then came down. Talking about Nifty on 5 minutes, simple, gap down, could not sustain the gap, and our position in Nifty was taken somewhere on this candle, friends. Okay, and we exited almost at this low. Okay, so whatever we lost here, little more than that is what we covered here. Okay, and the reason was simple. If I'm drawing a fibbo from the recent top to the bottom, see, this is the recent top and this is your bottom. We could see rejection coming from 38.2 levels. I have shown you this exact thing in the live trading video also, friends. Okay, at that point the bottom was somewhere here. Okay, so at 38.2 is what we were expecting it to turn, and that's exactly how it should. Now, what do we expect from Nifty, Bank Nifty now? After a small doji kind of candle that it made today, friends, now there are two ways to go ahead and take trades tomorrow. Now, if it is crossing the doji on the upside, okay, which is your 17,548 levels. Okay, if it is crossing that levels, that is when we can become bullish. But I believe this is a small kind of a retracement that it has given. Now, if I'm drawing a fibbo from recent top, that is here, from where the rally started till the bottom, which is here. Okay, so see, what's important is we just have so much room, which is close to how many points? From 550 if I consider till 600, which is 50 points. So any small at this level is what you can sell with a small 40-50 point stop loss for a downward rally, friends. The reason is simple. We have continuous red candles, and this small retracement is just a very small retracement which cannot be considered as a buy on a long time indicator. Coming to volumes, friends, that is the only thing that is positive. In today's day, the volumes for this particular doji is more than this. So the volumes are more, so this doji is considered to be a proper doji. It's not a doji without volumes. Okay, so that is the only place that is giving us a little positivity. So to create or to become bullish, we'll have to wait for tomorrow's candle. If it closes above this area, okay, that is when day after tomorrow we can create buy positions at the top of this candle. That's the way technical analysis works. However, coming to real-time analysis, now see friends, it started here, closed at the same point. It also made something called a double kind of a bottom pattern and continued its journey upwards. But as I showed you, the Fibo from the recent or the swing high to the swing low here, okay, we can create sell positions at place number 1, which is here, place number 2, which is here. Are we expecting such big momentum? The answer is no. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and decrease this Fibo for a smaller time frame, which is still here. Okay, let's actually, this should be the right place. Okay, so this is your level where you also see some kind of a resistance. Okay, so we can create sell positions at this area and at this area, friends, for a small downward target. Will we go ahead and look for the bottom? The answer is no. We would go ahead and create sell positions with a small stop loss of say 40-50 points with 1:1.5 or 1:2 kind of a target here. And if in case it breaks this level, friends, the double bottom wala level, that very much means that it is now bearish and we can aggressively create sell positions there. That's about Nifty. When will we create buy positions? Simple, friends. We'll have to wait for this 602 level to cross. Okay, that is somewhere here. That's when we can go ahead and create buy positions for first target 734, and gap filling is your second target. Okay, that is also coming as 1.618 level, which is 936, 17936 levels. That's when we'll be creating buy positions. Until then, we are just looking for sell positions, friends. One more important point that I would like to point out. Now, don't get frightened when I'm saying this. I'm not trying to do that. The intention is to keep you posted, that's all, and not to make you frightened. Now, this is the chart for Nifty 50. Okay, what you are looking at is Nifty future. The chart which I am bringing up now is Nifty 50. And if I move to 1 day time frame, okay, there is something which is very interesting that we can see here. Okay, that is this, friends. This is your shoulder, this is your head, followed by right shoulder. Now what is more important here is there is a clear breakdown also that has happened. Okay, now technically if you look at it, this from here to here will be your target. Okay, and unfortunately at this place there is also multiple support zone. So once this is already broken, if this trend line acts like a rejection to tomorrow, okay, you may see continuous fall coming till this area. Will that happen in 1 day? I don't think so, but it will take few days to go ahead and continue its journey downwards. And this fall is nothing, friends. If you look at it, this fall is very less. This fall will be further very high. One more important point, if I'm drawing a Fibo from the recent top, from the complete top which is here, let's delete that. remove everything and look at this Fibbo very carefully, friends. From this top till this bottom, which was created on Feb 1st, the budget day, the retracement that it gave is exactly 50%. Look at this. And from there it started falling continuously. And if I'm looking at Nifty index chart, you can see that the candle is also red. It is not green, friends. When I was showing you the future chart here, the candle is kind of a green candle. But when we are looking at Nifty 50 chart, the candle is red. So that is the reason for one big concern. I'm not trying to make you frightened, but this is an observation which will get market further down is what it talks about, friends. Just a word of caution. Coming to Bank Nifty, nothing like that is seen in Bank Nifty, friends. But then, yes, this move that it has given in the last 1.5 hour, okay, or today's move is what we can call it. This can be a retracement, friends. We are standing at a retracement level at this top currently. Okay, so what can be done is simple, friends. We can go ahead and remove this, and from this top, which is here, till the bottom, which is here, okay, 23rd, okay, this is the bottom. If I'm drawing a Fibbo, we can go ahead and create sell positions till this area, which is 40,782. At this level, there is also a gap where we can expect Bank Nifty to turn downwards, friends. Currently, it's in a good upward trend. Tomorrow morning, we never know, due to gap up or a gap down. If it turns downward from here, well and good. Otherwise, at this level, we can go ahead and create sell positions. Okay, when will we become bullish? We will become bullish only after 41,390. Just consider a round level of 41,400, friends. Coming to buy stock for the day, we are choosing Ultratech for a buy. Multiple reasons. First reason is right visible here. You can see that Ultratech has crossed the 61.8 levels already. Okay, and most important point is, see, look at these candles. Here there were continuous wicks at 61.8 levels. Finally, it gave a breakout and closed, mind this word, closed above 61.8 levels. And if I draw another line like this, you can see these levels were broken and it sustained, went further above and sustained above this level. Okay, this was also a nice little resistance zone which was broken. That is the main reason that we are considering for a buy. Now, what are the targets? First target would be here. Second target would be here. First target 72.57. Second target 72.91. Third target 73.62. Are we expecting such big targets in one day? Probably not. Okay, just to keep them handy. Coming to sell stock, we are choosing Bajaj Finserv for a sell, friends. Simple reason. If I'm drawing first of all Fibbo from the top to the bottom, you can see that it has not crossed this level. It can take its rejection at 50%, which is here. At this level, there is also a proper zone. This will act like a resistance zone, and you can see it created a wick there and came back, and at the end of the day it closed below that. Now if you see any kind of red candle here, you can create sell positions. First target would be this, friends, till here. Okay, second target would be this, friends. That's how we would be creating sell positions in Bajaj Finserv. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button and also ring the bell so that you would not be missing out on any trades that are coming up on the channel. Important announcement, friends. Tomorrow again at 9 o'clock is what we would be looking for a Let's Trade Together session where I'll be live and giving a trade either on a buy side or a sell side depending upon how the market actually or lively behaves at that particular moment, friends. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow, friends.